Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to open your Vanguard account. Alright, let's get started. So if you live in countries like United Kingdom, you need to make sure you are on the right Vanguard website. So let's search for Vanguard investment, and here you can see this is our Vanguard account. So click over here. Here you can see this is our official Vanguard website. So next what you have to do is create your Vanguard account. So let's search for Vanguard account creation. Let's go to this website now. Here you can see we are redirected to opening an account. There are various information that is given here. So the first step is to select your account type. So it can be individual or joint, etc. And you'll need your social security number, your birth date, your email address, your street address, employer name and address. So here you can see there are some investment information, and the third step there is a funding method. So here you need to provide your bank account and routing numbers found on checks. If you are using electronic bank transfer or a check made payable to Vanguard, or bank name and wire date is adding money by wire. And the last step is the review process. So here let's click on continue. Alright, so once you do that, here you have two options that you can log into your Vanguard account like this, or you can just sign up. So I'm just going to sign up for now. Alright, let's click on continue. So let's click on invest on my own. Alright, so now click on select account, and here you can see we are on this website. So let's go over here, myself. Let's click on this option and click on continue, and now click on continue once again. Alright, so here you have to fill in your information. So here enter your first legal name, last name, give all these informations here, and then you have to click continue. And once you do that, it will take some time for the review process, and after 1 or 2 days you will be able to have a Vanguard account like this. So that's it. That is how you'll be able to open your Vanguard account. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.